Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to CIAPP K5A online learning. So, you can tell me, what do you think we're going to be studying today? Good guess, well done. Yes, today we're going to be studying our math. So, math lesson 1. So, before we start, we need to look at the materials that we need. So, we're going to need, which you will find in your pack, but don't worry if you haven't picked your pack up yet, I'm going to tell you what else you can use around your home. So, you'll need your whiteboard, marker and eraser. If not, just get a piece of paper, okay? You will need your worksheets. Again, don't worry if you haven't downloaded these or you don't have your pack just yet, you can complete these after the lesson. You'll also need your pencil and eraser, your place value mat, which you have in your packs, the green one. If not, again, don't worry, you can just make one yourself. Okay? And finally, you're going to need 19 counters. So I left the little counters in your packs. Again, don't worry if you don't have them. Go and have a look around your home. Find 19 things that are very small but look the same. Okay? The last thing you need to bring with you, and a very important one, please don't forget to bring your brain. Okay, so you can pause the video now, go and find all of these materials, and then when you're ready, you can unpause and start the lesson. Okay, welcome back. So let's start with our essential question. So what is place value and how can it be used? So what I want you to do now is have a little talk with Mummy and Daddy, see if you can remember about place value and how it can be used. If you're still not sure, don't worry, you can follow this little YouTube link, okay, and watch the video. When you finish, so you can pause now, and then when you finish the video, unpause, and we'll start the rest of our lesson. Okay, pause. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, I hope you had a good discussion with your mummies and daddies. So let's move on to the next part of our lesson. So, hopefully, you remembered from our last lesson our place value maths, okay? So in our place value maths, we have, well done, yes, tens, tens. And on this side, we have our ones, well done. And at the bottom, we have our equal sign, where we're going to write the answer. So let's see if you can remember what goes on the tens. So on the tens here, you can take your counters and add 10 here. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Can you put 10 counters or 10 items in your 10 frame? Okay. So, if we're going to make the number 13, we know we've got one set of tens. How many ones do we need? Well done, yes, we need 3. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. So, we have, for the number 13 in our place value mat, we should have 1 row of 10, and how many ones again? Well done, yes, 3 ones. Do you think you can do this on your own? Let's have a look. Okay. So, the number I want you to write at the bottom of your place value mat is the number, well done, 18. Okay, can you write that number at the bottom of your mat? Good job. Okay, so I want you to make 18 out of the counters or the items you have. So, pause the video. Can you make the number 18? So I want 10, 1 10, and how many ones? 8 ones. Pause the video. And then when you're ready, let's see if you got it correct. Okay, let's see. So, in your tens, you should have 1 row of 10. Let's count them because we've got the number 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get that bit correct? Now, how many ones did we need? Well done. If you got the number 8, you're correct. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job, everybody. You're getting so good at this now. Okay, let's try another one. Your number this time is 11. Okay, pause the video. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Let's see if you got it correct. You should have 1 row of 10. And how many ones should you have? Yes, well done, just 1. So we should have 10 counters here and 1 on this side. Let's try the next one. Your number this time is 19. Can you write the number 19 at the bottom of your board? Pause the video and then come back to see if you got it correct. Okay, well done. Let's see. You should have 1 row of 10s. How many ones should you have? Well done, you should have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 row of 10, 1, 10, and how many ones? 9. Should we check that's really 19? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well done. Can you count your counters? Make sure that your number is correct. Let's do the next one. Your next place value number is 15. 1, 5, 15. Okay, pause the video, put your counters in the right place, and let's see if you got it correct. So, if you got this one correct, you should have 1 row of 10. And how many ones should you have? 5. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, everybody. Okay. So let's try one more. Your last number for today is number, well done, 17. So how many 10s and how many 1s? Pause the video. Okay, welcome back. Let's see if you got this correct. So in the 10s, you should have 1 row of 10. Well done. How many 1s should you have? 7. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, everybody. Okay, so now we've practiced our place value. Let's see if we can complete some of our worksheets. Now, I hope most of you can remember our 10 frames. Do you remember our 10 frames? So, worksheet number 1, you're going to look at the 10 frames, you're going to count how many counters, and then you're going to circle the correct answer. Okay, so let's count them here. 1, 2. So, do I circle this number? Number 4? No. Do I circle this number? Number 3? No. Do I circle this number? Number 2? Yes, well done. Okay, so you can finish that worksheet on your own. When you finish worksheet number 2 once, you can move to number 2. This time, we're using 2 10 frames, our 20 frame, okay? So, you count your frames. You have 10 and 1, so 1 10 and 1 1 makes 14? Uh-oh, no. What about 11? Yes, well done. Okay, circle the correct answer. Worksheet number 3. Again, you need to go and count the elves. See how many balls the elves have in each of their 20 frames. So don't forget, we also need to remember to practice our counting in tens. So I sent you a YouTube link today already to practice singing the song with your tens. Make sure you keep practicing at home. So with this worksheet, you need to cut out all of these numbers down here and stick them in the correct order. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see the next one. The last worksheet, this one is a little bit more difficult. I want you to find the missing numbers, okay? So you can count them, 14, 15. Can you write the correct number in the space? Okay. So, it's time to say goodbye. I want you to please complete your worksheets. If you need, re-watch the videos, re-watch the YouTube links that I sent you earlier. And don't worry, if you don't understand, send me a message and I will organize a Zoom session to hold with you on your own, okay? So I can speak to you, I can speak to the students, or I can speak to mommy and daddy. And if you need a translator, I can make a translator available as well. Okay, well, good luck with your maths today, everybody. I'm really proud of how hard you're all working. And don't forget to post back to me some pictures or videos, or if you want to make a little movie, please send them to me on Dojo, okay? And we can share with the rest of the class. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.